here for your plumbing inspection.
How's it looking?
Looks great. Well, everything I saw looked pretty good. Probably won't have any issues. If you do, give me a call. Hi, I'm here for the plumbing inspection. Alrighty, so that's our inspection. The faucets, fixtures, water heater, they all look great. The only spot where we had some issues was on the drain lines. I have a couple different options I'd like to sit down and talk with you about. Make sure we don't have any pipe issues in the future.